What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm whispering because there's people in the house and it's awkward still, so I'm still getting used to so many people being in the, well, not so many people, but just like close family being in the house, because it's just, I don't know, it's different. But for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from Victoria's Secret. So I know it's quarantine right now and everybody can't go anywhere, so I decided to order stuff online, and I had an old bag, so I just put it in my old bag that I had. So I ordered everything offline. I stayed and didn't go shopping in the mall for this or anything like that. So don't worry about that. Like, I stayed quarantined, didn't go anywhere for it. So I'm so excited. I haven't bought anything from Victoria's Secret in like 2 months. There hasn't been a video in like 2 months, and I miss making these videos, so I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna spend a little extra money that it is online than it is in stores and just have it that way. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get into it. So as you guys know, Victoria's Secret has 10 for $35 in stores, but online it's different and it's not that way. I think it's like 5 for $28 or something like that. So it's a little more on the pricier side to get underwear online, so I wasn't really sure if I wanted to do that because it is more expensive and I'm getting less. But I decided, you know what, why not? I haven't bought anything from there in a really long time, so now is the perfect time to do it. And I missed making these videos because I love showing you guys everything I buy. So that's super exciting. If you like hauls, I'm also doing a Windsor haul very soon and a swimsuit try on haul soon, so stay tuned for those. That's like, I'm really excited for. Okay, I'm getting off topic, but I think I got 6 pairs of underwear and a bra. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys the underwear. So if you don't know already, I literally buy Victoria's Secret underwear too much. Like, I have a whole drawer full of underwear. Like, it's bad. Even Cole said, you have a lot, and I said, I know. I have like a problem. I can't stop buying it and I don't know why. I have like every pair. So I'm gonna show you guys. That's the bra. I'm gonna take it out so you guys can see it. So we're gonna do this one. I have this style already, but I wasn't sure if I had this color, and I like this color. A lot of them, I kept doing that. I was like, do I have this? I don't know. I had to look and make sure. But this is the Brazilian cut, and I think they are so flattering, and it's in the ribbed like material, so it's like super comfortable, super soft, perfect for like sleeping or like when you're on your period or something like that. And they're very flattering, especially like when they lay on your hip, and it's like perfect. I'm obsessed. I love it. I have almost like every color in this. It's kind of ridiculous. So I got that one, and then I also got another one like that in the black lace one. I have the regular ribbed black one in this one, so I saw this one. It was very limited online as well. Whoa, I'm like so bright. So it was very limited online as well because I don't know why, but it's like there wasn't as many options as there was in stores, so it was also kind of difficult because I had a lot of the stuff already, so I kind of had to like pick through and pick like random ones and just like hope for the best. But I got those and I love those. Those are super cute. And then I think the next 3 are the same. So if you don't know, Victoria's Secret Pink, I don't think ever had V-strings before, or G-strings, but they're called V-strings because Victoria's Secret. I don't think Pink had any, but I saw online that they had some, so I was like gonna grab it because my hair looks crazy. I was gonna grab it because I've never seen them have them before, and they're kind of like comfortable to wear like in a dress or like in leggings or something, because it's like not annoying, you know what I mean? So I saw that they had those, and I picked 3 colors because they were very limited, like I said, and they didn't have a lot of the sizes online either. Like a lot of my size was sold out. So I got a black lace V-string, and then I got a army green emerald, maybe it's emerald lace V-string. Super cute. And then I got a gray one. They also had a light pink one, and I really wanted that one, but they didn't have my size in the light pink one, so that was kind of really sad. But It's okay, I guess I'll survive. But everything where I live in South Carolina, is opening up currently. So my mall is actually open, and Victoria's Secret just opened up in my mall. So if I do go, I'll be wearing a mask, very safe, very protected, hand sanitizer, everything. Don't worry, I'm taking the right precautions. I don't even know if I'm gonna go, but if I do, don't worry, I will be safe when I do it. I heard the news and I was so excited because like things are slowly starting to get back to normal here. Our nail salons open. They require like you washing your hands like all the time and a face mask. So I wore a face mask, sanitized, washed my hands literally non-stop. Like my hands were dry from washing them. So I just got my nails done. This is the first time I'm actually seeing my engagement ring with fake nails on, which is really, really nice. Super cute. So I'm obsessed. Okay, I'm literally getting so off topic. I'm sorry. So the last two things I'm going to show you are actually kind of like a set, but I had to buy them separately, of course. So they had a big sale when I was actually shopping online, and I think it was like 50 or 60% off, like whatever they had in the sale section. So of course I looked, and then I saw this super cute mesh bra, and it was on sale for $10. You know, Victoria's Secret, it's freaking expensive, no lie, and the original price for it is $54, and I got it for $10. A steal. I'm not kidding. So this is the bra. I thought it was so cute, and it's mesh, which I thought was adorable, and I don't know if it says the color on here. I don't think it does, but this color is so pretty. I think it is amazing. And then of course every time I buy like a bra, I have to get like matching underwear because I'm just that person. So I had to search and search for a matching pair of underwear in the same color, and I almost didn't get it because I almost didn't find it. If I can do this, it's another G-string, and it's got V's right here for Victoria's Secret because it's Victoria's Secret. But I thought it was super cute, and it goes with it, and it's like a satin almost. I think that's what it's called. That's what it is, like a satin. These were $16.50. I never spend that much on underwear, but since it was like $10 for that bra, it was like $26 for a matching set. A steal. So of course I had to buy it. So that is everything in my bag. It was a very small haul, but it was a haul. We haven't done one in a really, really long time, and I thought it was time to do another one for you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I would love to know how your state or city is going. Is your malls opening up, or is anything opening up? Are you guys still quarantined? What's going on? So definitely tell me down below. Tell me down below, when was the last time you went shopping? I know it's crazy for everybody. If you've been spending your money online shopping, let me know, because I have spent so much money on online shopping during quarantine. It's not even funny. Like, it should be a crime how much I spent. Like, it's actually, like, it hurts my heart. I need to actually go back into my phone and actually like calculate how much. That actually might be a bad idea, because I will have a heart attack finding out how much I spent during this time, because your girl was lucky enough to keep her job. I work at a grocery store, so of course grocery stores are essential, because without us, you guys wouldn't have food. So we kind of have to stay open. So luckily for us, I still had my job. So I've been working and I've been making money, and I am so sorry for the people who've lost their jobs. I feel so bad for you guys, and I just don't know how I would do it. So I've been praying for you guys and everything that's going on with you, but it's just insane. But I have been blessed to keep mine, and I've been spending my money like crazy, and I know I should be saving it, but I can't help it. So I'm sorry. I keep babbling. I just don't know. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in forever, so I kind of just like want to talk. Like, I feel like I should take my soda and we can just like have a good old conversation about what's going on. How you doing, girl? How's life? How are you feeling? How are you mentally? I would love to know. So let's start conversations in the comments down below. I would love to talk to you guys and catch up and like, hello sister. But like I said, don't forget, I'm going to be doing a Windsor try on haul and a bathing suit try on haul in the next couple of videos. I actually bought too many pieces on Windsor. I have one haul. I bought some more stuff for another haul coming soon, so get excited for that. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye.